Welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will have an unboxing of the motherboard that I bought in Amazon, which is the Asus ROG Strix Z590 Wi-Fi 2. Actually, this is my first time ordering computer parts in Amazon, and I bought this during the Black Friday sale, so I am so excited to see this. So this is it. So if you think this is safe, there are some air pack. It's around 7,500. So this is the box, and this is our the sad thing of this is sa lower part niya is walang bubble wrap. So this is it. ROG Strix. This is the motherboard. It is an ROG Strix Gaming Z590A Wi-Fi 2. See what we will get inside. This is the serial. This is the back of the box. Other side. So I'm sharing this video for those who want to buy this kind of motherboard and you want to see what is inside the box, so at least you will see already what will you get in buying this motherboard. I hope this item is safe. So there is, wow, this are the cables. It has 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 for the handles, and this is the Wi-Fi antenna, the same with my AUF. Awesome. This is the motherboard. Let's put it here. Another thing inside the box. It has some wire strip, or I don't know what is that. This one is this fan holder. Oh, it's my first time to have this. There's no such thing in our here. And this is for and for your SSD. You have manual or and Republic of Liberty for purchasing, blah blah blah. This is the manual, chapter 2, and how you assemble motherboard. And have some beautiful sticker and oh, see, it's the sticker, and this is the technical guide, everything. So this is what you will get in buying this motherboard. Now we'll try to open the motherboard to check. This is how it looks like. It's silver color. So that's all for today, and I hope that you get some ideas about this motherboard. And if you're planning to buy this is really cool. This is really good. So if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.